Hello and welcome to another video. Here we are giving this log function to expound. The question is expound completely log bracket open x into the square root, in other words, times the square root of y squared minus x squared. B is 10. So can we actually expound this? Yes, we can expound this if only you have a sound knowledge of the laws of logarithms. Okay, so from here, let's take our solution and see how we can expound this challenge here. So the first thing we're going to do here is to rewrite this radical. And so we're going to have our question first, we have log, okay, then we have our x, then into the square root of our y squared minus x squared close bracket. And I said we just have to rewrite this radical. So rewriting this radical, this is going to give us here our log base 10 already, then close bracket, our x here, then times our, okay, so from here we're going to use what we call the square bracket here. So let's use a square bracket here, then bracket open our y squared minus x squared all raised to the power of 1 all over 2 square bracket close. All right, so from here, this is what we're going to do here now. Now we're going to apply what we call the product law of logarithm. Remember that law? Yes, it says that when you have your log your a times b, this is equal to your log your a, the plus log your b. Okay, so if we rewrite this is multiplying everything here, right? So this is going to give us, we can say this now implies that our log, our x base 10, right? So base 10, then plus our log or base 10 of our bracket open y to the power of 2, then minus x to the power of 2, all raised to the power of 1 all over 2. Easy, right? Now with what we have in here, we can make use of what we call the power law of logarithm. By moving this back here, what does it say? It says that when you have your log, your a to the power of your x, move this x back here. So this is going to give us here our x times log ra. Okay, so we're going to move this expression, which is this power here, back to the side of this. So this is going to give us our log x base 10, then plus our 1 all over 2, then log, that's times log, bracket open, y to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 2, close bracket, all in base 10. Easy, right? Good. Now from here, if you check the quantity we have inside this bracket here, we have y squared minus x squared. And remember that if you have your a, okay, to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2, this is equal to your a, then plus your b, or in bracket open, a minus b. This is what we call difference of 2 square. I believe we are familiar with this, right? So we want to apply that to this part of this expression. Remember, we are asked to expound this completely. Okay, so we must take note of all expressions that can be expounded or that can be treated in a simpler form, because this is a bit complex. So from here, this is going to give us our log x base 10, okay, plus our 1 all over 2, then log. Mind you, what we have in here now, we want to express it in this format, right? Okay, so this is going to give us, let's take our square bracket. So bracket our y, then plus our x, close bracket, our y minus our x, close bracket, or in square bracket, close, right? This is base 10. Oh, I believe no confusion here, right? Good. Now, with what we have here, then we are having a multiplication here again. So remember the multiplication law of logarithm we look at the other time. Look at it here. So we want to rewrite this part of this expression here now. So rewriting this is going to give us our log, our x, yeah, base 10, right? There plus, so we're going to have our 1 all over 2, yeah, okay, into a square bracket. So we decide to bring out this 1 all over 2. Then into our log bracket open y plus rx close bracket base 10, then plus our log bracket open our y minus x, yeah, the close bracket, or in base 10 the square bracket close. Oh, are we learning something from here? Yes. So in all, with what we've given here, this little expression we have here now, we want to write it in this format. So we can say therefore, okay, let's say therefore, yeah. So therefore, our expression, which is log base 10 of our x, then into the square root of y to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 2, yeah, close bracket, is equal to our log our x base 10, then plus, yeah, we can use this to open up everything here. So this is going to give us our 1 all over 2, then times log bracket x plus y close bracket base 10, then plus our 1 all over 2, the log our bracket open y minus x close bracket. Okay, so this is the expression we have where we expound this completely. All right, so this brings us to the end of today's class. If you learned something from this video, give the video a thumbs up and do not forget to drop your comment in the comment section. See you in our next video. Bye for now.